was actually during the last tour that I started thinking about this and had this idea. So I emailed Mark Fisher immediately and asked him, did he think such a structure could exist or could work? And he was very positive. And it's remarkable because this is the first U2 show that I've designed where I only presented one idea. Always we go through lots and lots of ideas, but this time everybody knew that there was no second idea here. Either we were going to do this or we wouldn't bother.
The main idea for this was sorted out about 2.5 years ago when it became clear we were going to do a show in the round in stadiums, and I made a number of proposals for 360-degree video screens. What we have achieved here is a kinetic video screen, basically, because it has this huge movement element to it in addition to its functioning as a video screen, and it works 360. So it is a video screen that you can produce content that goes all the way around it, and the thing expands and contracts. So those two features make it unique and particularly well suited to what we're going to do in a stadium.
I think it's important to realize that that the screen on the creative level was a collaboration between several individuals. So certainly Frederick and myself played a role, but also Willie Williams, sort of from the band side, and Mark Fisher. I don't know the actual title, but he's kind of the stage architect, if you will. This sort of concept of the transformable video screen for U2 came together through all of our ideas. And in that sense, I was responding to Willie and Mark's creative direction about the shape, the form, etc. But my specialty is how to take, three-dimensional form and make it physically transform, make it morph, if you will, make it change from one shape to another shape. So I was responding to their direction and then translating it into the kind of specialty that I have. I'm an artist, I'm an engineer, I'm a designer. And the thing about design and engineering as opposed to art is it's all about the constraints. It's all about, or you're always working with certain limitations. And to me, I just thrive on those limitations. I like it when people say, give me that direction, because then I can use my creativity to find the way through it and create the particular brand of magic that I always try to, which is about this sort of transformable experience.
This is a new way of looking on how creative LED screens are going to be used, and one of the first things which we see is actually here at the U2 deployment, where we are actually building not just a flexible screen, but a fully transformable screen. It changes its shape, it changes its behavior, and it changes content while it is part of that integral show. So this is something very exciting for us, and it's key for us to do that together for such an important event such as the U2.
It's thrilling, absolutely thrilling. There's so many different parts of it, but working with an incredible creative team around the band and having the opportunity to see the work that I've been doing in transformable structures expressed in a whole new way. It's bigger size, it's more technology, it's part of a fantastic spectacle and show. All of this is exciting.
For the specific U2 design, the cooperation between all the parties which have been presented before is very key. You can never pull this off alone. It's about the integration of what does the artist want, how is the visual design needs to look like, what's the impression you want to give, what is the environment you have, how much space do you have to play with, and what is most important, what is the effect that the customers, in that respect the guys and girls who want to listen to the concert and watch the concert, would like to get as an impression. And it's with that parameters that we came that the Flex 24, the FLX 24 Pixel, was actually the most suited design that could be used in order to create the experience, or what I would call even the immersive experience. The audience can see everything around it, so it gives that full definition of what we call transformation. But it also gives the ability to the designers to start working on structures which nobody's ever seen before, and that's what makes it unique.
In a way, this thing here is like a living thing. And what's amazing is you know, it lives in terms of how it changes its, you know, its size, it changes its form, it grows, it extends, but then it has this living skin on it as well, which is the video. So it's kind of an object that's you know, I mean, I think it's probably one of the most fascinating objects on the planet at the moment. You know, it's really something it's something absolutely unprecedented.